Welcome to Meiji Shrine, one of Tokyo's most peaceful and important cultural landmarks. Located in the heart of the city, Meiji Shrine is dedicated to Emperor Meiji and Empress Shoken, who helped guide Japan through a period of rapid modernization during the late 19th century. As you enter the shrine grounds, you'll leave behind the noise of Tokyo and walk beneath towering torii gates made from massive cypress trees. The path winds through a forest of more than 100,000 trees, creating a calm and relaxing atmosphere that feels worlds away from the surrounding city. Completed in 1920, Meiji Shrine quickly became one of Japan's most revered Shinto sites. Although much of the original complex was destroyed during World War II, it was carefully rebuilt through public donations and remains a symbol of national pride. Along the way, visitors can see traditional sake barrels donated from across Japan, beautifully maintained gardens, and prayer areas where people come to make wishes and pay their respects. One of the most fascinating aspects of Meiji Shrine is the contrast it creates. Just minutes from the busy streets of Shibuya and Harajuku, this sacred space offers a glimpse into Japan's spiritual traditions and cultural heritage. Today, millions of visitors come here each year to experience its beauty, history, and tranquility. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more travel and history content from around the world. All footage in this video is available for licensing. Links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.